Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 20th, 2022. Yeah, Terra Luna has triggered a buy signal on the price chart. I'm going to talk about that today because on my last video for Terra Luna, I did not do a price prediction, but now the market is speaking. The market is telling us that the buy side is really showing some invigoration, that they're really trying to push Terra Luna higher prices. So I wanted to come in today, speak to you all about it, show you all where I think price is going to go so that we can be in position and win. You guys appreciate it. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, join the team. Keep it locked in here. Hit the like button. Share the video. Also subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because nobody else is out here placing their thoughts on the price chart as to where they think prices is going to go. I don't know why. Maybe because they don't want to be seen as being incorrect in their price prediction. But for me, I'm going to give you all the good and the bad, because I understand that the market dynamics is continually changing. The same people who came and bought on a certain previous day may not be back in the market currently. So yeah, the market is always going to be dynamic. So you will always have to come through and adjust your ideas. This is how this game is supposed to be played. It's mental. It's about mental capacity, about how you are going to react on any given day. Now, check this out. I did a video on Terra Luna on March 26th. You guys can see it's no price prediction here, so there's nothing for me to go back on and talk about. But yet we can talk about what's going on recently. Look at the price action in Terra Luna over the last 3 days, right? Look at this. I'm going to show it to you because this is where the buy signal was triggered. This is what the market is telling us price is trying to go. What happened right here on the 18th? So here it is, the 20th, 2 days into this particular day. This was a massive indication that the demand, the interest is now back into the market in Terra Luna. Once you saw this one daily price bar, like this one price bar, the trading that occurred on the 18th of April literally erased all of the work it took for the people who sold Terra Luna on April the 11th all the way to the 17th. It took that long for price to go from $92 to 76. It took this many days, and it just took one day to knock all of that out. That lets you know that the buyers are controlling the market. They want price to go up. It's just that simple. It's just that simple. Now, as we continue to transition over to different time frames, we should be able to tell if we can still see buying going on, if the buy signal is still being triggered on a multiplicity of time frames. So let's look at it. Let's start off looking at Terra Luna on the 2-day. Okay, look at that. Look at that 2-day price bar. And we're still seeing that the market wants to go up. Now, the only issue that you guys can already tell is that we already have a horizontal line that we can see Terra Luna get rejected. So we need to be prepared. Like, I'm not trying to say that the price is going to shoot up like a rocket ship and go into astronomical numbers past $120. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is that the environment is that the market buyers are trying to run the yard. They're trying to bring this market higher in Terra Luna. And not only that, check this out. You see the trend? Look at that. Let me extend this trend. The market in Terra Luna bounced off of the line. Look at that. Right there. On that last completed 2-day price bar, it came right down to around $75 to where the trend maintained its stability. It didn't break. It didn't crack. The trend is still intact in Terra Luna. Like, this market is still in a massive bullish uptrend. This was the prime opportunity coming in by the market. Right there. Did you do it? So now, am I looking for price to go up? Yes, I am. Look at that on the 5-day. The 5-day time frame even looks better. Right? We got what? 12 hours and 54 minutes left. So, I mean, you got to give us a margin of error, some risk there. That price is not going to look the same right now. That this price bar is not going to look the same. But if this was the last, let's say we had like 3 more minutes before this 5-day price bar ends, this would be fantastic. I would be looking for price to go up at least up there towards 100, at least, right? Now, considering this spread on the 5-day time frame, look at it's almost taking out all of these 5-day price bars right here. Gone. So I'm looking for $100 first, 105 second, and long term, yeah, we could possibly see the price in Terra Luna make all-time highs, right? Possibly. Okay. So now, let me also show you another issue, because I don't want you all to not think that there's traps here, because sellers are stationed throughout these certain price levels. This is one area to where sellers are stationed, and price in Terra Luna is there now, right? Zooming in, you guys can see how price in Terra Luna, it was literally getting rejected around $97 or so. The market was just hovering. It was trying to break $97, and price traded lower. We need to see price break that level. See, I'm here to give you position. I'm here to show you where the market can actually flip and come down. We're there right now. So there's still a chance that price won't break above $97 in Terra Luna. I just got to keep it real. But from what we've seen, the history of the interest coming in the market on April the 18th, it lets us know that the market actually has a chance now to actually break that $97 to the upside and continue to go up, which is what I'm playing off of. All right. But I wanted to show it to you because I don't want nobody to come through and say, well, price is going down right now. Well, yeah, because this is where the sellers are at. They're around 97. So yeah, can price go down right now? Yeah, it can. It's just part of the risk that you're noticing, that you're prepared for. That if you see price cannot break above 97, then it's time to readjust. It's time to reevaluate. You also need to have a plan. All right, cool. I already knew that sellers was at 97, so I'm not going to be caught off guard. I won't be questioning what I need to do, because if sellers are there, then yeah, we need to get off the position. We need to take it off the table. But let's go ahead and do this then. Okay, because I'm looking for the price in Terra Luna to go up. My first area, like I said, was around 100. That gives us 3.64%. My second was around 105. That gives us another 8.5% profitability. Okay. And we're going to continue to run this play until we see price in Terra Luna break back below, what is that, $80. So we got 100, 105. I'm going to bring it up here towards 110. Okay, just a nice round area for us to try to aim to let the buyers come in and take out. So that's it. We're in position. Now, long term, look at that. I mean, there's nothing for us to really talk about. The chart is in the uptrend. It's a bullish market in Terra Luna. That's it. So it still confirms that the market is still trying to go up. So who are we to try to get in the way and not let them do it? Join me. Drop me your price target, price prediction in Terra Luna now. Let me know, where do you all think the price is headed? All right. And that's it. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.